In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a smooth and amazing split transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's super easy and very useful, so let's get started. Here we are in Premiere Pro. If you want the free preset for this transition, you can check out my Patreon, link in the description below. Here, I have these two stock footages. I'm going to make the transition about 2 seconds long, but you can make it shorter or longer if you want. First, cut the last 2 seconds of the first clip and duplicate this cut onto the track above. Now, select the top layer, go to the Effect Controls panel, and under the Opacity effect, select the Pen tool. In the Program Monitor, we're going to draw a mask, so let's arrange its zoom to make it precise. Here, I'm creating a triangle-shaped mask, but you can try different shapes as well. Next, set the mask feather to 0, then copy this mask. Select the bottom cut, go to Effect Controls, and paste the mask there. Make sure to check Inverted, and our masking is done. Nest both layers together. Once nested, go to the Effect panel and search for Transform. Apply this transform effect to both nested clips. Select the bottom nested clip, go to Effect Controls, and under Transform, create a position keyframe at the very first frame. Move a few frames forward, then set the position X and Y values to 0. To make the movement smoother, set these keyframes to ease in and ease out. Move the last keyframe to the end of the clip. Then disable Use Composition Shutter Angle and set the shutter angle to 180 degrees. This will add motion blur. Now do the same for the top clip. Create a position keyframe at the first frame, but this time double the X and Y values compared to the top clip. Set the keyframes to ease in and ease out. Move the last keyframe to the end, disable Use Composition Shutter Angle, and set the shutter angle to 180 degrees again. Move both nested clips one track up and place the second stock clip underneath them. This is how the transition will look. Here's a bonus trick to make it feel more realistic. Move the time indicator to the center of the nested sequence. Select the top nested clip and create a position keyframe. Expand the position graph and slightly pull apart the two handles, just like that. Repeat the same step for the bottom nested clip. This adds a small break in the middle, which looks perfect. After adding free sound effect, here's the final result. If you want free preset file for this transition, you can check out my Patreon. Make sure to subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. That's it for today. See you in the next frame.